Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to compare two different types of microwave ovens, the convection microwave oven and the regular microwave oven. We will be discussing the features, advantages, and disadvantages of both types of microwave ovens. If you want to buy these products, check the description below. I will include the product link. You must subscribe to the channel before watching the video. If you want to watch such videos, please like, share, and comment. What is a convection microwave oven? A convection microwave oven is a combination of a traditional microwave and a convection oven. It uses both microwaves and hot air to cook food. The microwaves cook the food quickly, while the hot air provides an even cooking environment. This means that the food is cooked faster and more evenly than in a regular microwave oven. What is a regular microwave oven? A regular microwave oven is a basic kitchen appliance that uses microwaves to cook or heat food. It is the most commonly used kitchen appliance in households across the world. It is fast and convenient, but it is not ideal for cooking certain types of food. Features of convection microwave oven. Cooking modes. A convection microwave oven offers multiple cooking modes, including microwave, convection, and grill. Temperature control. You can control the temperature of a convection microwave oven, which is not possible in a regular microwave oven. Cooking time. A convection microwave oven cooks food faster than a regular microwave oven. Cooking space. A convection microwave oven usually has a larger cooking space than a regular microwave oven. Auto cook. Many convection microwave ovens come with an auto cook feature that allows you to cook a variety of dishes with just one touch. Features of regular microwave oven. Easy to use. A regular microwave oven is easy to use and requires no special knowledge. Speed. A regular microwave oven is very fast and can cook or heat food in seconds. Compact size. A regular microwave oven is usually smaller and more compact than a convection microwave oven, making it ideal for smaller kitchens. Price. A regular microwave oven is less expensive than a convection microwave oven. Advantages of convection microwave oven. Faster cooking time. The convection microwave oven cooks food faster than a regular microwave oven. Even cooking. The convection microwave oven provides even cooking, ensuring that the food is cooked evenly. Multifunctional. A convection microwave oven can be used for cooking, baking, grilling, and more. Temperature control. You can control the temperature of a convection microwave oven, making it more versatile than a regular microwave oven. Disadvantages of convection microwave oven. Expensive. A convection microwave oven is more expensive than a regular microwave oven. Complicated. A convection microwave oven can be more complicated to use than a regular microwave oven. Size. A convection microwave oven is usually larger than a regular microwave oven, so it may not be ideal for smaller kitchens. Advantages of regular microwave oven. Fast. A regular microwave oven is very fast and can cook or heat food in seconds. Easy to use. A regular microwave oven is easy to use and requires no special knowledge. Compact. A regular microwave oven is usually smaller and more compact than a convection microwave oven, making it ideal for smaller kitchens. Price. A regular microwave oven is less expensive than a convection microwave oven. Disadvantages of regular microwave oven. Uneven cooking. The regular microwave oven may not cook food evenly, leaving some parts of the food undercooked. Limited features. A regular microwave oven has limited features and cannot be used for baking, grilling, or roasting. Temperature control. You cannot control the temperature of a regular microwave oven, which limits its versatility. In conclusion, both convection microwave ovens and regular microwave ovens have their own unique advantages and disadvantages. If you are someone who loves to cook and wants to explore different cooking options, a convection microwave oven is a good choice. On the other hand, if you are someone who wants a simple and affordable microwave oven for basic heating and cooking, a regular microwave oven will suffice. It is important to consider your needs and budget before purchasing a microwave oven. We hope this video has helped you make an informed decision about which type of microwave oven is right for you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.